My name is Jenny, and I would like to share my experience at the Optimal Wellness Clinic in Gig Harbor, Washington, and also the benefits that I've had with therapeutic lifestyle changes. I became a patient for some women's health issues that I was having. And for me, simply coming to a new doctor was stressful. I've had problems with reproductive health in the past, and I haven't had good experience with doctors. I've never been more amazed with an experience compared to what I've had here at Optimal Wellness. When I got to the clinic, I was not ushered into a treatment room where they said strip down, put on a paper gown, and sit there and wait for the clinician. I was taken in to Pam's office where she sat down and she talked to me. She talked and she listened for over an hour. I was going through some major stresses in my life. My hormones were completely out of whack. I was exercising really hard and I was eating what I thought was a good diet, and yet I had gained almost 20 pounds in 3 months. They helped me to understand that the hard exercise that I was doing and the diet that I had, together with the stress that I had going on in my life, it was actually having an opposite effect. The exercise was causing me to gain weight and not healthy weight. I think the very best advice that they were able to give me, which I was shocked by because it went against everything I've ever learned in my life, they said I was actually exercising too hard. They said I needed to calm down my exercise routine, to take long walks, to keep my heart rate under 130 beats a minute, to use exercise as a source of stress relief rather than trying to break this giant sweat and leave the gym with a soaking wet shirt. I was actually being counterproductive to my body. We changed my diet to include a lot more protein, lean proteins like chicken and fish, and we also interjected a lot more good fats into my diet, including fish oil, a lot of nuts, and we cut down on the carbohydrates and the sugars. They also helped me to understand that the number that's on the scale isn't the most important, that what's important is the way that I feel about myself. The bottom line is I felt better by making these lifestyle changes within a week. 1 week. I was absolutely amazed at the difference in just a short period of time. It's been 8 weeks since I've changed my diet and exercise pattern and basically my lifestyle, if you will. And I don't know if I've ever felt better in my life. I have amazing energy. I sleep fantastic. I feel happy. I feel healthy. And my body looks and feels the way that I want it to feel. I think I've probably become one of the fastest and biggest cheerleaders for therapeutic lifestyle changes, and the care that I've received here at Optimal Wellness in Gig Harbor, it's definitely made all the difference for me, and I would highly recommend it for anyone else.